Hello everyone, my name is Arpit Kaushik and today I will talk about on the topic addiction. So what is addiction? Addiction is a activity, is a feeling which make you do that thing again and again and again, even if it is harmful to your body or to your mind. Yes. So in easy term, if I say that addiction is evil, it makes you do wrong thing, even if it is causing harm to you. For example, you start eating a chocolate. Okay, one day it feels very good. Second day you eat a chocolate, it feels good. And then after 1 week, you start getting craving to eat the chocolate. That is addiction. At that time, you know that chocolate hurts your teeth. Chocolate causes infection to your teeth, cavity to your teeth, but still you cannot stop eating chocolate. So this is the one type of addiction, a mild addiction. Secondly, most common addiction in today's world, that is phone addiction, gaming addiction. Even our senior citizens, our elders are having this addiction. When you are having free time, you open your phone for the first time, you start scrolling. That time it feels very good, very funny. If something comedy comes to it, then next day you are having no free time, but still you are scrolling the phone, watching reels, watching YouTube videos, watching other videos. So this thing becomes your addiction. Now you know that you have to study, you have to do your work, you have to give time to your family, but still you are giving time to this phone. Why? Because your body wants it, because you are addicted towards this phone. This is a behavioral word. I cannot pronounce that word. Behavioral uh, behavior, addiction, which is by your behavior. Yes, so it becomes behavior addiction. Now the come third type of addiction, which is very dangerous to your health, that is smoking addiction, taking alcohol, chewing tobacco. This type of addiction causes much more severe damage to your body. But still we see India is one of the, in India, this business of alcohol, business of tobacco is one of the largest business. So you see how much addiction this caused to us. I want you to get sorry. If you want to get rid of this addiction, then there are simple ways which you follow with some discipline. Then you can easily get rid of the addiction. So what are the ways? First way, which I think that start you should start knowing that yes, you are addicted. You should accept it. Acceptance is the first thing if you want to create the solution for your problem. So if you know that I am having this problem, then your mind will start working on the good thing. So if this is the first thing, acceptance. Second things, go seek some advice, go spend some time with your family and good friends. For example, if you are addicted to phone, then take a strong step. Keep your phone aside, go and spend the time with family. Suppose you are spending 2 to 3 hours in your phone, just keep it aside and go talk to your mother, talk to your brother, talk to your good friends who will motivate you to do good work. Second, so if you want to get rid of addiction, then create a great distance, a very good distance from the triggers such as your friend. If you are having addiction of smoking or drinking alcohol, stay away from the friends who indulge you, who motivates you to do this bad work. And second thing, that start doing meditation. It is very helpful. Start doing meditation. If you feel, anytime you feel the urge to do the thing, if you want to smoke a cigarette or you want to watch phone unnecessarily, then start doing meditation. It will definitely give you result, 100% result. And third, if you are used to and the third is wake up early. By waking up early, you can experience the good atmosphere, you can experience the good environment, because in morning we have a good supply of oxygen in our environment, so that time our body feels more fresh, and it makes you more energetic, and makes your job easy to get rid of the addiction. Now fourth and my favorite, that do physical activity, whether it is gymming, whether it is playing any sports. The playing sports, doing physical activity is like a boon, is like a remedy, a great remedy to get rid of any addiction. And secondly, it makes your body healthy. Like from one job or from doing one task, you are getting two benefits: getting rid of your addiction and making yourself more healthy. So yes, these are some ways which I believe that you should do if you want to get rid of addiction. Why I am saying this, like why should you believe in my words, why should you believe in my thought and idea? Because I have experienced this thing. I was not addicted to cigarette, yes, but I was having addiction of phone. I was having addiction of mobile games. So that addiction I was able to overcome by using these methods. Today also sometime I overuse the mobile, but I do not count it as an addiction, because next day if I don't want to use the mobile, I keep it aside. I never it do not, my body do not urge me again and again to watch that movie or to use mobile phone. So that is why I think that my advice will help you a little bit in achieving your goal. So thank you. I hope you all must have liked this video. Bye bye.